Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by stabilizing the site and removing any loose fragments. Once clear, vacuum and wipe the chipped edge with alcohol so the bonding surface is clean. Make sure to mask surrounding grout and tile to protect finishes. Mix a small batch of 2-part epoxy or a porcelain repair product according to directions. You want a workable consistency, not runny. Now apply epoxy into the chip using a thin stick or toothpick, pressing gently to eliminate air pockets and build the base level with the tile edge. Once the adhesive has set to a tacky stage, you sculpt the repair to match the original edge profile. Use a razor blade or sculpting tool to trim away excess, shaping gradually. It's easier to remove than add. For color, mix tiny amounts of pigment into the epoxy until the hue closely matches the tile. Test on scrap. After full cure, wet sand the repair starting with 400 grit and progress to 1000 grit to achieve a seamless transition. Rinse and dry before sealing. You finish by applying a thin clear sealant or ceramic glaze to match the tile's sheen and protect the repair. Make sure to cure fully before heavy use. Most products need 24 to 72 hours. If the repair fails or chips again, remove the failed material with a heat gun or solvent and repeat using a higher strength epoxy or an engineered ceramic filler for better durability. One key troubleshooting tip: if color or gloss is off, use a touch-up glaze in thin layers until.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.